A lack of oxygen at cellular level causes a cell to mutate into a cancer cell, because what actually happens in the mitochondria where the energy is burned, if there's a lack of oxygen to burn the necessary glucose, what happens is some of that glucose ferments and it gives off carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas. And he proved that a buildup of too much carbon monoxide mutates a cell into cancer. That is the major cause for cancer to form. It doesn't matter what kind of cancer it is. Have you ever heard of heart cancer? I don't think so, because it doesn't exist. Why not? Because the heart has always got oxygen. So that's just to come and reiterate that cancer is caused by a lack of oxygen.
It's interesting that paramedics, when they need to save somebody after an accident or a rescue process, they first give oxygen. Oxygen is life. That's critical and it's very important, and it's very life-giving, because every cell in the body needs oxygen every day. That's why we have a blood circulation. That's why we have lungs to pick up the oxygen and to distribute it through the whole of the body.
Ozone is produced by oxygen. Plants and plankton in the sea, whatever trees, they produce oxygen, which is O2, 2 atoms per molecule. And then oxygen is one of 5 gases in the atmosphere. It ascends into the atmosphere, and about 20 to 25 kilometers above the Earth's surface, the ultraviolet rays from the sun comes and it splits that oxygen molecule into 2 separate atoms, O1, O1. And then God made it so that one of those atoms gets stuck onto another oxygen molecule, which forms O3. And that is ozone, O3, 3 atoms per molecule. And the moment the ozone is formed, it forms a layer around the Earth. And the purpose of ozone today is to protect the Earth, ourselves, from the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. It's up to 3,000 times a stronger oxidant than normal oxygen. God made it so that that single atom, when it gets in contact with viruses, bacteria, parasites,